What is it called again?
Mountain munchies.
Good afternoon, Team Bees, or good lunchtime, good Team Bees. For those of you joining us for the very first time, thank you for clicking on Beast Capacity Outdoors. I'm your leader, Team Bees, Daddy Bees, and this is a food review up in Big Bear while we're up camping in the Angeles National Forest. And we were, as you saw in the previous video, we were doing, or you know, as you'll see, if you haven't seen it yet, we were taking a tour of Big Bear because we both haven't been here since our youth. And so she's really getting in it. She's getting in her sandwich right now. She got the snow bunny for Mountain Munchies. And it looks like, what? It's a Swiss and turkey.
And Swiss and tomato and lettuce and mayonnaise on squaw roll. Which I was expecting squaw like sliced bread, but
yeah. And so that's good. Okay. And then of course we went Staters and she got some Cheetos, you know, she likes Cheetos. And I got me Coke Zero and some water. And then I got from Mountain Munchies like a Reuben that's over the top. It's hang on here. It is a pastrami and roast corned beef with pickle and mustard and Swiss cheese on grilled rye. So I mean, that sounds just terrific. I'm gonna hand you over to Allison. See what we got here. Oh, look at that. That's a lot of meat. That's a lot of meat. Pastrami and roast, or corned beef. Oh, that's good. No wonder why they're voted best sandwich shop in Big Bear. Oh wow, that's good. Right mustard. The pastrami's not too salty. Corned beef, right? Wow, pickle's good. Good dill pickle. And the rye. Oh, almost tastes like the Oro wheat rye my grandma used to get.
Yeah, napkin?
That's good. Yeah, napkin. That's good. Oh, sorry for eating in front of you, but sorry guys for eating in front of you. But oh, damn, that's good. That's good. How's the squaw bread roll though?
Good.
I mean, I'd expect to kind of like the flatbread like the rye.
Yeah,
you know, is right here. But it doesn't look too thick. That's good. I know sometimes like the sourdough rolls, the rolls are pretty thick. And you get a crap ton of bread with your sandwich and not much meat and anything else.
Well, that's the thing, because their list of breads, one of them said sourdough rolls, so I thought that meant the other ones weren't rolls. Yeah, sourdough, wheat, rye, white, double sour, which I'd imagine was a sliced bread. And they had, I mean, 20, 30 sandwiches on this thing. Like mine is called the Gold Mine. And they got the other, like the Boater, the Big Bear, Sunken Treasure,
yeah, the Diver, the Skier, the Mountain Biker. So yeah, they got a ton of stuff, and they got
like burgers and dinners and breakfast.
Burgers, dinners, breakfasts, pancakes, waffles. Now everybody just is, you know, it's still, you know, everybody's got to wear masks when they order. 6 foot spacing, you know, everywhere up here. It's still like that. And they have the outside patio on the sidewalk that they created, and their dining room's closed, of course. But yeah. But I don't recommend going in the Stater Brothers right now up here. It's like one of maybe 2-3 grocery stores, actual grocery chain stores, and they're slam packed up here. And that's because, well, a lot of vacationing, you know, tourists up here. There's a lot in the area we're at. We're on South Shore, but southeast shore, just below the village, Big Bear Village, in Bear Valley area. And this is where a lot of the timeshare condos are, and cabins and stuff like that is. So you get a lot of those guys that'll be up here for a week or two, whatever, that are shopping all the time up here. The other thing too, Big Bear has changed a lot in the Stater Brothers, because this center right here, the Stater Brothers Center, has really changed. You definitely can't find snow boots and summer wear and stuff that you could find for using here vacationing at the lake like you used to. So, because there's a lot of other boutique shops and stuff now. So we'll probably end up, she couldn't find a hat in there, of course, or, you know, cake, like cake decorating stuff she couldn't find even. But they are going through a refurb in there, so that's probably part of the problem. But so we'll end up having to go down to the country store. We will be hitting, if you haven't seen the video already, Jenks Lake, probably on Sunday on the way home for a little bit, just to kind of check, you know, see it and look at it, because we're not going to have time tonight, because I got to do some cooking. I, you know, vacuum seal a lot of stuff in boil bags and stuff. So it's a lot of boil stuff tonight, and we're going to have vegetable dinner tonight. So it's 3 o'clock now, so by the time I get done, probably about 8. You know, that's about when we ate last night. But definitely, when you're up here, and even if you're up here for a day trip, just cruising the lake, or you're out wakeboarding, or skiing, or tubing, or fishing, dude, take a break. You know, and come on, beast. You know, come up here and support local shops. You know, we saw not a Jimmy John's, but
Jersey Mike's.
A Jersey Mike's up here. Well, yeah, it sounds like a Jersey Mike lunch. And then we saw this place, Mountain Munchies, and we're like, nah, let's support local and let's go local. So that's what we did. And was it yeah, it was a good choice. So I'm gonna sign off here. I'm gonna finish eating, and we'll see you guys on the next one. So you know how it is: wear the mask, flatten the curve, yada yada. We'll get back to the bullshit we used to do, or some semblance of it. You know, stay healthy, my friends. And all that good stuff. And yeah, get on out and camp. Get out on a camping trip. Yeah, I haven't done any fishing this trip. They're still back there. It's just because of the way I felt. So, no big deal. Excuse me. And we'll catch you next time. So, as always, be good, be kind. Team Beast. All the way. What?
Sandwich.
Oh, sandwich.